let's take a look first up at the top. You can see this is a list of our subjects, and that's what we're looking at now. Classes, groups, and grades allows us to add options for assigning people. So if we click into classes, you'll see a list of our sample classes. And then you can see quickly this is the name of the teacher for each class, which carries into the dynamic data in the doc maker. And you'll see the number of subjects here. If you want to delete one, you can do that right here. In order to edit one, you click on the name. Or to add one, you click Add Class. Let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to add a class called Jones. And let's name this teacher Mrs. Jones. So now if this class is called into the certificate or document maker, then you can utilize that teacher field. And we'll see that later on. I clicked Done, and now you can see Jones is here. Mrs. Jones, 0 students assigned. And that number will change if we assign any students into it. Let's move over to groups. Groups works the same way as classes do. You can see a list of groups, the number of people assigned into them, and you have the ability to delete a group here. In order to add a group, we'll click that, and here you can add a group. I'm going to add the football club. Here you have an option of including an icon in the ID. This is typically just for ASB or groups like that. If you have a question on this subject specifically, we recommend that you contact your photography provider so they can help you get this set up. And when I save, you'll see that on the list here. And let's move over to grades. Grades works much the same way as classes and groups. If I click Add a Grade, I can add, let's go ahead and add grade 7. And now you can see grade 7 is on our list, and now grade 7 will be one of the options available to manually assign a student. If I want to delete grade 7 because my school doesn't have that many grades, I can click delete, and it's gone.